Hi guys, welcome to Watkins Way. Today we're going to make a dessert. It's called Bananas Foster, and I got a request from a friend of mine in Laguna Beach. Her name is Dorothy. So Dorothy, this Bananas Foster is for you. So our ingredients is going to be a half stick of butter that I got in here. I'm trying to get it melted. And we're just going to use, I'm not going to measure really the brown sugar. I'm just going to add enough to it to kind of cover that part of the skillet. And then we're going to use some cinnamon, and we're going to use some spiced rum, and we're going to light the rum. And if you don't drink alcohol, you don't have to worry about it because the fire will burn the alcohol off and you'll still retain some spices of the rum. Bananas Foster was originally made at Brennan's restaurant in New Orleans. The owner, Ralph Brennan, had a customer that would come in and his last name was Foster. And we'd ask the chef if he'd make this concoction with bananas, brown sugar, rum, cinnamon, so he did. And it became so popular, this was in 1951, that almost any nice restaurant you go into today, you can get Bananas Foster. So anyway, let's get busy with our Bananas Foster. Pay attention, Dorothy. There can be a test later. So we're gonna melt our butter. Now we're gonna add a little bit of brown sugar. And while that's melted, got our banana here. We're gonna cut it right here. That. Add our bananas. This is really good. It's gonna make it with ice cream. It only takes, you don't even have to leave it on this one side for about 30 seconds. And we're going to try to flip it over. You can hear it sizzling right now. We're going to add some rum and we're going to light it, and we want to caramelize the butter and the brown sugar. So I got my spice rum. I'm just going to pour some in here, and I'm going to light it. And what we're going to do is, while it's burning, it's going to burn off the alcohol. I'm going to put a little fire show on for you. I'll probably burn myself. And now, Dorothy, we're going to get some ice cream. Now let's just take our banana. In there. Let's take this banana, put it in there, and I'm just going to lay one right on top of the other one, and I'm going to do the same thing over here because this is really good. You want more than just one little piece of banana. And now here's our brown sugar and butter and our rum. And we're going to just drizzle that over the ice cream. And let's get a little bit more out of here. Get this in. All right, Dorothy, there we go. Bananas Foster, made originally at Ralph Brennan's restaurant in New Orleans after one of their customers, Tom Foster, George Foster, Bill, I don't know. His last name was Foster. So here we go. Since you're not here, I'm going to have to taste it for you. So let's get a little bit of banana, a little bit of ice cream. I'm not sure that, I gotta taste this again just to make sure that it really was as good as I thought it was gonna be. Here we go. Dorothy, gotta make this for Jim. It's so good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comments, good or bad. Let me know. And guess where I'm going. Bye.